Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the 12V battery in a Tesla Model X full guide. Begin by powering down the vehicle, engaging the parking brake, and entering service mode if required. Remove the front trim carefully, unplug the 12V battery negative terminal first, then the positive. Replace with the correct battery, secure terminals, reassemble trim, and run a systems check to confirm proper operation. In this video, I will show how to replace the 12V battery in a Tesla Model X full guide. Start by collecting tools and wearing PPE, insulated gloves, and eye protection. Verify you have the correct replacement battery and compatible terminal connectors. Lay out tools on a non-conductive mat, note cable routing, and take a quick photo for reassembly. Follow torque specs and double-check connections before powering the car back up. In this video, I will show how to replace the 12V battery in a Tesla Model X full guide. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on long DIY projects with the Owala water bottle. It freezes fast, fits cup holders, and won't spill while you're leaning over the frunk. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace the 12V battery in a Tesla Model X full guide. Open the frunk and remove trim panels to expose the 12V battery. Disconnect negative then positive, remove hold-downs, and swap in the new battery. Reinstall hold-downs, reconnect positive then negative, and torque terminals correctly. Reattach trim, perform a system reboot if needed, and verify lights, locks, and displays function properly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.